Next, second question, page number 72. You can see the figure here. One circle you have, one square. That is a square with all vertices on a circle. Square with all vertices on a circle. So square, all the four vertices are on the circle, and one side given here 2 centimeter. So this is the actually shaded part. This is the shaded part. Okay, square is the shaded part. So that probability you have to find out. So you know that whenever the geometrical figure is given, you have to find out the probability. How the formula? Area of the small by area of the large. So area of the square you have to find out. Large which one? Area of the circle you have to find out. So area of the square formula you know, side into side. So one side given 2. So is easy to find out the area of the square. So area of the square, side square, you have 2 here, 2 square, 4 square centimeter you got. Now we want to find out the area of the circle. What is the formula for area of the circle? So pi r square. Already you studied pi r square. So there you need r there. R means what? It is a radius. So from the center, if I choose here, a radius can come here to here, no? So if I draw till here, it is showing the diameter now. It will be diameter. So whether radius is given here, no, it's not given. So when I draw diameter like this, you can see here one triangle forming, 90-degree triangle forming, and this is 2 centimeter means this is also 2, no, because it is square, 2 centimeter. So you know that before I explained, if this is 2, if this is 2, what will be the hypotenuse here? It will be 2 root 2. If it is 1 root 2, if it is 2, it will be 2 root 2. If it is 3 root 2. Like that is going on. Last year you studied. So this diagonal or this hypotenuse, you can say 2 root 2. So this diameter is 2 root 2, no. So what will be the radius? Radius means from here to here. Half of 2 root 2. Diameter 2 root 2. So half radius will be half of 2 root 2. So I can say diagonal of a square. Diagonal of a square means this one. This square is the diagonal I am finding. That is 2 root 2. I can say 2 root 2. Now I want the radius. Radius can be written as, radius of a circle can be written as 2 root 2 by 2 because it's a diameter, no. So half will be radius. Divided by 2 means it can be cancelled. Root 2 you will get. Now we want to find out the area of the circle. Pi r square. Pi r square. R is how much now? Root 2 pi into root 2 whole square. Root cancels, 2 pi you get. Now, therefore, probability of the shaded part. Probability of the shaded part is equal to area of the small by area of the large. What is the area of the small? That is the square area. Square area is how much? 4. 4 by area of the large. Area of the large means circle. Circle where? Here. 2 pi by 2 pi. Means you can divide here. 4 by 2 means it will be 2. Division 2 you will get, and by 2 cancels here. So 2 by 5. This is the answer. Probability of this shaded part. Next part from this chapter is a pairs. Pair. So the heading is pair. So we are making a pair here. So that we can explain with the one problem itself. So page number 75, question number 2. You can see question number 2. Second question. A box contains 4 slips numbered 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see one box, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 slips are there. Another box contains 2 slips, 1, 2. Like this you have. If one slip is taken from each, I am taking one slip from here, one slip from here. So like that one pair you can form now. At a time. One slip from here, one slip from here. So one pair you can form. What is the probability of sum of numbers being odd? And what is the probability of sum being even? So first what you have to do, we have to make a pair now. What they told, you have a 2 box here, and in that 4 slips and 2 slips you have. I'm taking one slip from here, one slip from here. So 2 numbers together, one pair it will form. So like that, so many pairs we can make. So we'll see how many pairs we can make. So first pairs I can make. So the possible one number I can take now. From this one number I can take. From this one number I can say take. So 1, 1, one pair over. So next possible thing, it can be 1, it can be 2, it can be 3, it can be 4. So orderly if I go, it will be 1, 1, 1, 1. So one pair over 1, 1. Next it will be 1, 2. Next pair 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2 over. That is over. Next I can take 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2. Next I can be 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2. So next pair. Next 4, 1, 4, 2. 4, 1, 4, 2. So these are the pairs we can make. So that's why pairs heading given. 4 1, 4 2, like that pairs we can make. So how many pairs it can form? Totally how many pairs we can form? We can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like that we can count. But if it is more and all, it is difficult to count. So easily you can find out by here. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers are there. And here how many? 1, 2. 2 numbers are there. So 4 into 2, what will be? It is 8. 8 pairs are there. So pairs will be 8. Okay. Total pair will be 8 here. Now, they asked, what is the probability of sum being odd? Sum being odd means, in these two numbers, sum means what? Addition. You have to add and see whether odd getting or not. 1 plus 1, it is 2, no? So it is even. So I can't here, see, odd sum I am putting. So I have to make the list here. Odd sum I have to make the list. 1 plus 1, 2, I can't do. 1 plus 2, 3, odd, no? 1 plus 2, 3, odd. So I am writing here. Because odd sum means addition. 1 plus 2, 3, odd. Now next 2 plus 1, 3, it is odd, 2 plus 1. Next 2 plus 2, no, it is 4, no, no. So 3 plus 1, 4, I can't. So 3 plus 2, 5, it is odd, so 3 plus 2. Next 4 plus 1, 5, it is odd, so I can write 4 plus 1. So these many pairs I can come under odd sum. Next even sum you have to see. So 1 plus 1, 2, it is even, no, so I can put even sum, 1, 1. 1 plus 2, 3, no, it can't, it is odd. 2 plus 1, 3, can't. 2 plus 2, 4, it is even, 2 plus 2. Next, 3 plus 1, 4, it is even, 3 and 1. 3 plus 2, 5, can't. 4 plus 1, can't. 4 plus 2, 6, it is even. 4 plus 2, 6, even. So, it will come under even sum. So, now that we have grouped it like this, and we have to find out probability of sum odd. And what is the probability of sum odd means? What is the total pair? How much? Total pair we have found, no? 8. That is 8. This and this both are same. Out of 8 pairs, how many are odd? How many sums are odd? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sums are odd. So that you can make shorter. When you divide, you will get it as 2 by 4. Or again you can make it shorter. That is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. You will get 1 by 2. Okay. So 2 by 4 can be 1 by 2. Same way, probability of sum even. So total pair 8. In that sum even how much? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 by 8. So same way, 2 by 4 you can make it, and you can cancel it, and 1 by 2 you will get. So this is the answer. Next problem, page number 75. Question number 4. You have from all two-digit numbers with either digit 1, 2 or 3, one number is chosen. What is the probability of both digits being the same? Second, what is the probability of the sum of the digit being 4? Which means from all the two-digit number, we are choosing only two-digit numbers, which is either digit 1, 2 or 3. Means we are choosing the numbers only with the 1, 2, 3 digits. Okay. That is also two-digit number. So that I will show you how. Two-digit numbers with 1, 2, 3. So I can make the two-digit number only with these digits. So that is 1, 1. I can make 1, 1. Like a pair only I am making 1, 1. Next 1, 2, 12. 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. Next 1, 3, 13. So I made no 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 1, 3. Like a pair. Next 2, 1, 21. 2, 2, 22. 2, 3, 23. Next 3, 1, 31. 3, 2, 32. 3, 3, 33. So these two-digit numbers we are taking, that they told category given 1, 2, 3 digits only we are choosing. So how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So totally 9 numbers are there. 9 two-digit numbers are there. First question, what is the probability of both digits being the same? What is the probability of both digit being same? Digit being same means, okay, probability of both digits being same means, what is the total number we have chosen here? 9. So 9, both digits being the same means same number, 1, 1, 11, 22, 33. So how many? 1, 2, 3. 3 by 9. So that can be made shorter, no? 3 by 9 means 1 by 3. So 1 by 3. Second question, What is the probability of the sum of the digit being 4? Second one, probability of sum of the digit being 4. Sum of the digit being 4. When you add, you have to get 4. When you add, you have to get 4. So total, how many number? 9. That you have to write first, 9. Next, sum of the digit being 4 means 1 plus 1, 2. I am not getting 4, no, so can't. 1 plus 2, 3. I am not getting 4, I can't. 1 plus 3, 4 getting, no, yes. So this I can choose. 1 plus 3, 4. Again, 2 plus 1, 3, can't. 2 plus 2, 4. Again, this one. 2 plus 3, 5, I can't. 3 plus 1, 4, I can. 3 plus 2, 5, can't. 3 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6, can't. So only 4 sum. 1 plus 3, 4, 2 plus 2, 4, 3 plus 1, 4. I can choose. So how many are there? 3. So 3 by 9. So it will be 1 by 3. So this is the probability. Now we'll move on to the last part of this chapter, that is more pairs. More pairs means it will be more pair. Last time we have seen some pairs, so it will be more pairs. So that can explain by doing a problem. That is, in class 10, the first question, okay, page number 78, first question. In class 10th A, there are 30 boys and 20 girls. In 10th B, there are 15 boys and 25 girls. One student is to be selected from each class. So we are making a pair. From 10th A, one student we are choosing, 10th B, another student we are choosing. So we can make a one pair, no? So like that, many pair we can make. How many pairs we can make? That total strength you have to multiply. Total, how many 10th A, how many students, 10th B, how many students, we have to multiply. So that time we will get those total pairs. So we have to make those pairs. And first question, what is the probability of both being girls? Both girls pairs how many? What is the probability? What is the probability of both being boys? Means boy, 10th A boy, 10th B boy. Like that, what is the probability? What is the probability of one boy and one girl? One boy and one girl. What is the probability of at least one boy? So like this, we have to find out the probability. So first we want to find out what is a total pair. So before that, we have to make a table like this. To make it easier, 10th A, 10th B, boys 30, 10th A, and girls 20, 10th B, boys 15, girls 25. So total, in 10th A, how many strength? 50, and 10th B, 40 students are there. So if we make one student from 10th A, one student from 10th B, it will make one pair. So like that, totally how many pairs we can make? From 10th A, 50 students, from 10th B, 40 students. So when you multiply 50 into 40, you will get total pair. So how many pairs? 50 into 40, you will get 2000 pairs you can get. 2000 pairs you can get. From this pair, these categories are asked now. First question, second question, like that. So first question is what? Probability of both the girls. Probability of both the girls. First, you know that these are all possible pair you can make. From 10th A boy, from 10th B boy. So boy, boy. From 10th A boy, from 10th B girl. Boy, girl. And also from 10th A girl, 10th B boy. Girl, boy. Like that also you can make. And 10th A girl, 10th B girl. So girl, girl pair also you can make. So these are the possible pairs you have. Now, both the girls we want. Both the girls. 10th A girl, 10th B girl. You have to check out here. 10th A girl, how many? 20. 10th B girl, how many? 25. So that you have to multiply. 20 into 25. 20 into 25 means, okay, probability when comes divided by the total pair, 2000. 2000 you will get. And 20, 25. 25 twos are 50. So, and 1 0, 500. So 500 you will get. 1 0 gets cancelled. 1 0 gets cancelled. So you will get it as 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is the answer. Okay, when you make it shorter, you will get 1 by 4. Next probability, second one, probability of both boys. Both boys means 10th A boy, 10th B boy, 10th A boy, 10th B boy. So choose 10th A, how many boys are there? 30. 10th B, how many boys are there? 15. So 30 into 15. 30 into 15. So that probability becomes division, how many pairs? 2000 and 30, 15. So 15 threes are 45. So 45 and 1 0, 450. So this 1 0 gets cancelled. So when you divide shorter, you make it shorter, you will get it as 9 by 40 you will get. 9 by 40. Okay. So the third one, probability of one girl and one boy. So one girl and one boy means, you can see here, one girl, one boy. From 10th A girl, from 10th B boy. From 10th A boy, from 10th B girl. So there are two chances, okay. One girl and one boy, they said. One girl, one boy. One girl, one boy. So two chances are there. So that all you have to multiply here. So one girl and one boy. Okay, first we will choose this one. One boy and one girl. That is 10th A boy, 30. So 30 I am writing here. 30 into 10th A, this one and this one, okay. 10th A boy, 10th B girl. 10th B girl, which one? This way. 13 to 25. Plus 10th A girl, 20. And 10th B boy, 20 into 15. Like this. 20 into 15. So that you will get the answer. 25 3s are 750 plus 15 2s are 300. So you will get the answer as 1050. And the probability, when you write division, divide by 2000, because that is a pair, total pair, and this will be 1050. So when you divide, make it shorter, you will get it as 21 by 40. You will get it. So this is the answer. Okay, fourth sub question. What is the probability of at least one boy? At least one boy means in a pair, at least one boy should be there. So in this pair, you see, two boys means one boy is there, no? Here, boy, girl, one boy is there. At least one boy. Girl, boy, at least one boy is there. But here, girl, girl, at least one boy not there. So this is, we can't choose. These three we have to choose. So 10th A, 10th B. Boy, boy, 30, 15. 30 into 15 plus, and boy, girl. Boy, girl, 30 into 25. 30 into 25. Next, girl, boy. Girl, boy means 20 into 15. Girl, boy, 20 into 15. Into this, into here, continuation, 20 into 15. So this is plus, okay. 30 into 15 plus 30 into 25 plus 20 into 15. So this will be 30 15 jar. 15 is a 450 plus 25 3s are 750 plus 15 to 20 means 300. So you will get it as the answer when you add all these 1500 by the total pair how much? 2000. So 1 0, the second 0, and you will get it as 3 by 4. You make it shorter and see. This is the answer.